area touching about 8.5 million square feet. Some of the landmark buildings are 16-storied IT park with over 3.5 lakh square feet, 16-storied knowledge park with over 6 lakh square feet, and this auditorium with a seating capacity of 4,500. Fostering research has always been a priority at SRM University. About 23 funded projects with a total outlay of about Rs 5 crores have been sanctioned by ISRO, DST, DBT, DRDO, DAE, and other funding agencies. One of the prestigious projects on the anvil is the Project Ayush at an estimated cost of Rs 14.87 crores. Research publications in journals and participation in conferences are sponsored by the university. 283 papers in the international journals, 176 in national journals have been published in 2009-10. Out of these, 38 are in index journals. Further, international patents have been applied for about 7 products. 40 funded research products for a financial outlay of 22 lakhs has been sanctioned by SRM University from its resources to encourage research in the university. The students and faculty members have designed and developed a nano satellite which is in its advanced stage, and ISRO will be launching it in April 2011. The scientific objective of this satellite is to monitor and estimate the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Institute-industry interaction cell promotes collaboration between the industry and the institution to enable better research prospects. Our 20 major MOUs have been signed with prestigious industry in India and abroad on varied areas of interest. There are no boundaries to the pursuit of knowledge at SRM. Through strategic alliances and links with foreign universities, the standard of education at SRM is currently on par with the best in the world. Through the MOUs with more than about 20 universities spread across USA, Japan, UK, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, China, and few other African countries. SRM's International Advisory Board is actively involved in building a stronger international dimension in curriculum, research, and teaching methodology by bringing students and faculty from well-known universities abroad. The SRM University has sponsored over 25 faculty members under the Faculty Abroad program to pursue their research and postdoctoral programs at leading universities across the world. Further, faculty members are given this opportunity to gain experience in international teaching methods and research and advancement in their field of specialization. Foreign visiting faculties also help promote the international education and enhance the quality of research and building exposure to different cultures and international trends. At present, nearly 10 foreign faculties are teaching at SRM University on long tenure. Student abroad program is successfully running into its 4th year. Students from SRM University are sponsored to undergo studies for a semester in reputed universities in countries like USA, UK, France, etc. Top salary of $200,000 was offered to an nano researcher, Mr. Shivaraman, in California, USA. It is just an indication of how industries seek out SRM students for placements. TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys, Siemens, and others regularly visit the campus and recruit hundreds of students, resulting in nearly 100% placement of the registered students. There are a number of scholarships under which the students get benefited. The amount disbursed through the scholarships last year is about 12 crores, benefiting over 800 students. The Tech Fest Arush and the Cultural Fest Milan are two major events which showcases the talents and the ability of the students to manage and conduct national level events. These programs attract students from across the country and are in line with the similar programs which are conducted by reputed Indian universities. Adoption of surrounding villages for imparting education and improving the civic facilities, reaching out to the village community to take care of their health needs, offering free treatment at the medical college hospital, conducting periodic social awareness program, creating an eco-friendly atmosphere are some of the measures undertaken by SRM which help the nearby community to raise their standard of living. SRM University promotes sports and games in a big way. The university awards scholarships and fee waivers to the tune of 2.1 crores for the students who excel in sports. Mr. Deepan Chakravarti MBA have participated in the World University Chess Championship ranking 3rd. Mr. Murali Vijay MBA represents the Indian cricket team in international cricket arena, winning prestigious awards at Nagoya Science Museum, Japan, Junior Scientist Award from the President of India, and representing India at the first World Cyber Games in Seoul are some of the notable achievements by SRM students. Dr. Anavaragan got the prestigious award from the President of India for his very inspiring book. BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering has been accredited by ABET USA, thus SRM becoming the first and the only university in India to achieve this rare distinction in this field of engineering education. The university is accredited by NAAC with a score equivalent to 5-star rating. The SRM University regularly participates in the media conducted surveys and achieve noteworthy ranking. Education Times of India ranked SRM University as India's #1 multiple streams university in 2009. Indian Science Congress will be held at SRM University during 3rd to 7th January 2011, and our Honorable Prime Minister of India will inaugurate it. About 7,000 delegates, Nobel laureates, reputed scientists, faculty members and research scholars from all over India and abroad are expected to participate. The focal theme is quality education and excellence in scientific achievements in Indian universities. To conclude, we look back with pride the achievements we have so far made, but we also know that we have only taken very few steps and we have many more miles to go before SRM University fully realizes its vision. I wish to state here the following. SRM University will emerge as a leading world-class institution that creates and disseminates knowledge. It will uphold the highest standards for instruction in engineering and technology, medicine and health science, and science and humanities. Along with academic excellence, our curricula emphasize integrity and cultural sensitivity so that our graduates may best serve the nation and the world. Thank you very much.
I declare the convocation open. This convocation of the SRM University has been called to confer the degree of Doctorate of Science, honoris causa, on Professor C.N.R. Rao, and the degree of Doctorate of Literature, honoris causa, on Thiru N. Chandrasekharan, and Director of Philosophy, degrees and diplomas upon the candidates who in the examinations recently held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same. I request Dr. T.P. Ganesan, the Pro-Vice Chancellor, P&D, to read the citation of Professor C.N.R. Rao for the honorary degree.
Chancellor Sir, it is my proud privilege to present to you today Dr. C.N.R. Rao, an eminent scientist, an outstanding administrator, and a significant contributor to solid-state and materials chemistry for the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa. Born on 30th June 1934 in Bengaluru, Dr. C.N.R. Rao took his Masters of Science degree from Banaras Hindu University in 1953, PhD from Purdue University, USA in 1958, and DSc from Mysore University in 1961. He has received honoris causa doctorate degrees from 49 well-known national and international universities. Dr. C.N.R. Rao is currently the National Research Professor as well as Honorary President and Linus Pauling Research Professor at the Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. He is also an Honorary Professor at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Dr. Rao is one of the world's foremost scientists who has contributed to the development of solid-state and material chemistry. He has contributed to the development in this field for over 5 decades. His work on transition metal oxides has led to the basic understanding of the novel phenomena and the relationship between material properties and the structural chemistry of these materials. Dr. Rao was one of the earliest to synthesize two-dimensional oxide materials such as La2CuO4. His work has led to a systematic study of compositionally controlled metal insulator transitions. Such studies have had a profound impact in the application fields such as colossal magnetic resistance and high temperature superconductivity. He has made immense contribution to the nanomaterials over the last 2 decades besides his work on hybrid materials. Dr. Rao is an author of over 1,400 research papers and 41 books, predominantly in the area of solid state and material chemistry. Dr. Rao is a member of all the major science academics in the world, including the Royal Society London, the National Academy of Sciences USA, the Russian Academy of Sciences, French Academy of Sciences, Japan Academy, as well as the Polish, Czechoslovakian, Serbian, Slovenian, Brazilian, Spanish, Korean, and African academies, and the American Philosophical Society. He is a member of the Pontifical Academy of Sciences, foreign member of Academy Europaea, and foreign fellow of Royal Society of Canada. He is on the editorial boards of several leading professional journals and is a distinguished visiting professor of the University of California and Cambridge University. Dr. Rao has occupied several prominent positions of eminence including Chairman, Scientific Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, Shri Rajiv Gandhi, immediate past President of the Academy of Sciences for Developing World, and members of Atomic Energy Commission of India. He is the founder president of both the Chemical Research Society of India and the Materials Research Society of India. Dr. Rao has also been the president of the Indian National Science Academy, the Indian Academy of Sciences, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and the Indian Science Congress Association during the year 1987 and 88. He was the director of the Indian Institute of Science from 1984 to 94, Chairman, Scientific Advisory Committee to the Union Cabinet 1997 to 98, and Albert Einstein Research Professor 95 to 99. Considering his very significant achievements in science, recognition poured in from all quarters in the form of awards, medals, and prizes from international as well as national bodies. He was awarded Padma Shri as early as in 1974, followed by Padma Vibhushan 1985. Other national awards, to mention a few, are Patnagar Prize, Karnataka Ratna. He is the first recipient of the Indian Science Award by Government of India. A person of Dr. Rao's stature cannot be confined to any geographical boundaries, and no wonder that international bodies took cognizance of his outstanding scientific contribution by showering him with numerous honors. Faraday Society took the lead by honoring him with Marlowe Medal in 1967, followed by international laurels such as Grand Cross from the President Brazil, Havrovsky Gold Medal of Czechoslovak Academy, Nikkei Asia Prize for Science, Technology and Innovation, Royal and Hughes Medals by the Royal Society, London, and the August Wilhelm von Hofmann Medal by the German Chemical Society. Dr. Rao is also a recipient of prestigious Centennial Foreign Fellowship of the American Chemical Society, Honorary Fellowship of the Royal Society of Chemistry, London, Blackett Lectureship of the Royal Society, Lennart Professorship of University of Cambridge, and Gauss Professorship of Germany. Saluting his commendable work, which has potential to change the betterment of common man's life, the President of the French Republic honored him with Cavalier Award in 2005. Great scientists contribute to not only to the present needs, but also explore the unknown distant future. Dr. C.N.R. Rao belongs to such an exalted community, which is manifest in his being awarded the Don David Prize for Science in Future Dimension for his research in material science by Tel Aviv University in 2005. In appreciation of his achievements in the field of solid state and materials chemistry, and in recognition of his vision, dedication, devotion, and contribution to the cause of science, SRM University considers it an honor to confer on Dr. C.N.R. Rao the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa. Your Excellency, the Chancellor of SRM University, it is with immense pleasure that I present to you today Dr. C.N.R. Rao for the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa.
Request Professor C.N.R. Rao to come forward to receive the honorary degree. I request Honorable Minister for Law and Justice to present the degree of Doctor of Science to Professor C.N.R. Rao.